What's up, you guys? Your boy Navari Carter, multi-award-winning graphic designer and brand strategist, and I'm back again with another video to show you guys today how to make Instagram carousels. Now, this one you want to tune in because I got something special for y'all down in the link below for you to go ahead and download that template for free. And further ado, let's get into it. Photoshop, and as you can see here, I made a quick 5-slide template in a PSD file for you guys. And so as you can see, if you start here on slide 1, everything is organized here for you. You got an option of changing the background color here. Feel free, if you're not used to using Photoshop, the tools over here on the sidebar for those of you who aren't designers that's planning on downloading this. As you can see, Photoshop is very intuitive and user-friendly. You can easily guide over it with your mouse, and it will show you what the tool does and what it utilizes it for. So if you want to use the background tool, to change it, the paint bucket tool, excuse me, and you want to click on the slide here that you're actually the layer that you're actually going to be utilizing, and I have everything labeled here for you to make life easier. You change that background color. Right now I have it as a gradient. You know, you can, well, I got to turn the gradient off. Make sure you turn it off the eyeball. But, you know, from that you can easily change the color of things. You have your swatches up here as well. You can double click this, you know, go through all your different color options in here, utilize it for whatever you want to do. Just click OK, and, you know, you can make it that color. But for this, we're going to go back to the gradient we have here. The text, again, the type tool. You just click in there. Go ahead and edit or type in whatever you want. You know, it's yours. You can change the title there, and feel free to drop in images. So down at the bottom, you can utilize this if you do or you don't. I would say go in here and feel free to play with the eyeball, turn things on and off to see what clicks to what. But as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You know, if you want your tags of your Instagram handle or whatever down there, other information, you can. If you don't, it's your choice. So I did that to make things easier. Same thing with the logo up there in the top hand corner. To utilize the branding. But again, this is just a simple template for what I use with carousel slides. And yeah, so from there, slide 2, I just give multiple different variations. It's really straight to the point to make it easier for you to just go in there and type what you want to type. You know, get your point across. You know, the same thing with the number here. You can easily click here and it'll go to a layer to make life easier for you, or go to layer and click it, turn things on and off that you want to use or don't want to use. And so same thing with that, with your logo up there in the corner. Like I said, it's very straightforward and simple. You just easily click it and drop whatever you want in there, type whatever you want in there, and so on and so forth. So the question is, what do I do when I'm ready to save my slides, right? There's so many different artboards. So in this tutorial, what you would do is simply, you want to close these slides out by turning the eyeball off, right? Some other slides are shown. Click on the slide that you want to save. You want to go to File, and you want to go to Export, Save for Web Legacy. And with this, you know, you want to save it as a JPEG. It's your choice to save it as high or very high. You know, very high, I usually utilize that. It works, it's good, especially when you have photos, so that, you know, things doesn't get pixelated when you're using it for social media. So from there, you just want to go ahead and click save. Save it to your folder, rename it to something in particular. It's best to organize your photos in your carousel as a separate folder for the name of that specific carousel, because you want to save a couple of different slides of JPEGs so that you don't get confused, right? So that's something that you want to do. And yeah, you just hit save. And from there, you know, you just go right back, turn your slides back on, and the saga continues. Slide 2, turn other slides off, go back and repeat that step once again. And other than that, you will have your carousel slides. So as you know, once you go into Instagram, when you're uploading, of course, choose the multiple option for you to upload multiple images. And again, you have up to 10 slides max that you can upload in a carousel on Instagram. And you can feel free to also use less. So as you see from there you have it. And as you go on down the road, you can feel free to, get really creative with it, as I've done with this branding versus marketing carousel right here, where I have a streamline of images that kind of like help tell the story of, a theme of kind of like a boxing match, to say branding versus marketing, and it actually performed pretty well in comparison to other carousels that I've posted. So, so with this, it helps with a lot of engagement at the end of the day with your followers. And it's a fun, inviting way to just give out information without making it boring. All right. And there you have it. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful. And if it was, go ahead and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to go ahead in the description down there below and go ahead and download your free version of the template for your Instagram carousel. Also, go ahead and like this video and subscribe. You got some value out of it. And stay tuned, because I got more content for you guys coming. So with that being said, my slogan: if it's not simple, it's not intuitive. Until next time, I'm out.